Are you having trouble accessing the eTarasol page using Internet Explorer? Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process of fixing it and accessing the site. Firstly, open your Microsoft Edge browser. Then, enter the site name. However, if you see a message that says only IE, Internet Explorer browser is supported, follow these steps. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and click on the Settings button. Click on Default Browser. Then, click on Internet Explorer Compatibility and click the Default button. Don't forget to click Allow as well. You'll see a message that says for this setting change to take effect, restart your browser. Close and reopen your browser to apply the changes. Now, you should see Internet Explorer mode enabled appear on the screen. Next, let me show you how to enable compatibility mode. Click on the Enable button next to both options and restart your browser. It's that easy. You can now use this browser without any headaches. If you're still having trouble, feel free to check out another video. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe, enable the notification button, like and share it with your friends.